Hi guys, and welcome to my latest video, and today we're going to talk about the Worx HydroShot, and this is the one, and we're going to show you all about it and the bits and pieces to go with it, and also we're going to show you how I wash the car with it. See you in a bit. Right guys, in the box you get a portable bucket, which is a useful bit of kit. Your actual gun, an end piece with multiple parts which you can spray out. Also you get an extension, a brush, and your pipe, and that actually fits into a bucket of water and it floats. Also you get one battery. Now this is the smaller type of battery. In one of the kits you can get a double the size, but if you buy the one with the smaller battery, do get a spare battery because they do last about half an hour if it's non-stop. Also with the kit you get the charger. Also you get a bag to put all the bits and pieces in. Guys, and not forgetting the snow foam gun. Yes. Alright guys, and now we're going to fit it all up. First of all, you get your extension piece, pop it in. That just connects like that. And then you can go for your snow gun. And again, that just connects on the end. Battery, it actually just slides in on a slider, like that. And then you've got a button on the side to press. And he fires up. Next stage, unwind your pipe. Connect the pipe onto the bottom. The pipe is exactly the same as you would an ordinary hose pipe, just connect it in. And the pipe then goes in to the bucket, or like that. Next thing guys, get out of your cannon and the gun and just prime it. And this is just letting the water through. There you go, and takes a few goes. Pop your snow foam on. Right guys, now we're going to snow foam. Right, I'm going to show you now the other way. You can use the smaller bit if you don't want to use all that. And again, and there's a good example. Right, the idea of this is when you go to a car show, you can take it along with you in the boot. You can take your bucket of water or a can of water, and what's ideal, when you get to the show, you can wash your car down and do your 2 bucket trick, and everyone looks at you thinking, yeah, cool, look at that guy. You know, it is a simple tool, very easy to operate, and though looking at how the snow foam goes on, it's not going on as well as a pressure washer, but it does go well. It's cool. There is no adjustment to the snow foam, it's as it comes, so there isn't a lot you can do about it, but it's still lubrication on your bodywork. Now guys, the finishing touch. We've washed it, we've snow foamed it, washed it, and now the clean off with the spray, as you see. Don't expect this to be like a Kratcher. This isn't a Kratcher, it'll do the job. Just to let you know guys, out of this container there's that much water left. So that was full to start with, and there's that much water left, and that's to do a mini. Well, there you go guys, this is the Worx HydroShot. You've just seen how it's been done on the car. It's a really good bit of kit, I must say. Important again, I'll mention it, if you're going to buy one, get 2 batteries or get the one with the bigger battery. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again in the next one. Do subscribe and share this video. Thanks a lot guys, laters!